Welcome to IBN India Business News. For the first week of April 2024. IBN is a weekly business news capsule for various segments comprising business leaders, managers, researchers, scholars, business management students and teachers. IBN presents each week's important business events across various sectors in a sequential manner for convenient consumption of information. Advertising, research and consulting sector. McKinsey & Company offered senior employees in the UK 9-month salary and other incentives to quit and look for new jobs. The company has referred to this as a job search period, and employees will not be required to work on client projects during this time. Auto sector. The Income Tax Department sent Hero MotoCorp a demand notice of 605 Indian rupees crore, including interest, for 6 assessment years. The notice covers the assessment years 2013 to 14 to 2017 to 18 and 2019 to 20. The notice is due to disallowances for these years. Ather Energy has launched a new range of scooters primarily targeting the family market. Rizta, the family scooter, will be available in 2 models, the Rizta S and the Rizta Z. Aviation sector. As per the BCAS directives, passengers will now be permitted to exit through the departure gate of the airport in case of long delays and other emergencies after boarding. Aviation Security Watchdog, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, BCAS, has issued new guidelines in case of long delays. Airbus Alto High Altitude Pseudo-Satellite, HAPS, subsidiary, which develops solar-powered drones called Zephyr, is open to an initial public offering, IPO, after launching commercial operations in 2026. Boeing CEO David Calhoun received $33 million in compensation last year, mostly from stock awards, but gave up a roughly $3 million cash bonus and is getting less stock this year in the wake of a near tragedy on January 5th. Liking the video, like and share. Core sector. India's coal production in 2024, FY24, reached a record high of 997.4 million tons, an 11.67% increase from the previous year, but fell short of the 1 billion ton target. In FY23, output stood at 893.19 million tons. Bharat Forge's exchange filing stated, reappointment of Amit Kalyani as a whole-time director designated as vice-chairman and joint managing director for a further period of 5 consecutive years. WEF May 11, 2024, subject to the approval of the shareholders. Manish Agarwal, the CEO of Global Products and Services at Sterlite Power, resigned to pursue other career opportunities outside of the company. Agarwal announced his departure in an email to employees from Sterlite Power MD Pratik Agarwal. JSW Energy Limited has raised 5,000 Indian rupees crore by selling shares to institutional investors, including Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, ADIA, to accelerate its growth plans. Larsen & Toubro's, L&T, defense arm, L&T Defense, announced plans to diversify into non-military equipment and infrastructure. The new business strategy aims to optimize existing assets while waiting for larger defense contracts. Missed the previous videos? Want to access all previous week's videos? Subscribe to IBN. Finance sector. The Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, ADIA, and Kotak AIF will invest 2001 Indian rupees crore in 4 residential projects by real estate developer Prestige Group. The funds will be used to develop projects in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Goa. PeopleCo, the parent company of CoinSwitch, launched Lemon, a stock-broking app, on April 2, 2024. Lemon is the first product from PeopleCo to venture beyond cryptocurrencies. The app is designed to help new investors with decision-making and discovery. JP Morgan Chase Bank will allow advertisers to target customers based on their spending history through a new unit called Chase Media Solutions. This new unit will connect Chase's 80 million customers to retail deals tailored to their spending directly through their bank app. Bandhan Bank's MD and CEO Chandra Shekhar Ghosh will retire from the post after completion of his current tenure on July 9, 2024. Ghosh, who is also the founder of Bandhan Bank, has been one of the foremost proponents of financial inclusion in India. South Africa's Sanlam hikes stake beyond 50% in Shriram's insurance. Its economic shareholding in Shriram General will increase to 50.99% from the current 40.25%, and the effective stake in Shriram Life will go up to 54.4% from the current 42.38%. Government regulators. FDIC examines whether investment firms stick to passive investing mandate. FDIC examines whether investment firms stick to passive investing mandate. Healthcare and pharma sector. Sanofi, a French pharmaceutical company, plans to bring 5 of its best-selling drugs to India, including Soliqua, Zenpezime, Dupixent, Beyfortus, and Mexiviazyme. The company also plans to launch other products in India, including Rezurock, Sealed, Type 1 Diabetes, Nexviazyme. General Atlantic acquired a majority stake in Wala Cygnus, a hospital chain in northern India, for an undisclosed sum. The deal values the chain at 1,600 rupees crore, with General Atlantic acquiring about 70% of the stake, including 400 Indian rupees crore in 2 tranches, and the remaining 51% from existing investors. Like this video, share and subscribe. Hospitality and tourism sector. Radisson Hotel Group has emerged as India's second largest international hotel operator, with 115 hotels under its Radisson, Park Inn, and Suites by Radisson brands. The company plans to add 30 hotels each year for the next 5 years, with around 60 properties currently under development. Media Entertainment. Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited Management under Goenka is implementing all measures across its verticals to optimize costs and enhance productivity. MD and CEO Puneet Goenka will take a 20% cut in his remuneration. Group M, a media agency network owned by WPP, was named India's top media agency by Seomavergence, a global research and data consultancy firm. Group M has been the leading media agency group for new business wins in India for 3 years in a row, with a new media business value of over $654 million in 2023. Zee Entertainment Enterprises has initiated the process of slashing its workforce by 15% across functions as it looks to optimize costs and achieve its target of 20% EBITDA margin in 2025-26. Don't want to miss future videos? Want to receive notification every week? Subscribe to IBN. Realty, infra, logistics sector. Jeff Bezos has bought his 3rd mansion on South Florida's Indian Creek Island. The Miami home in this exclusive neighborhood, known as Billionaire Bunker, set him back $90 million. Bezos already owns $147 million worth of property there, split between 2 mansions. The real estate developer Prestige Group purchased 21 acres of land in Whitefield, Bengaluru for 450 Indian rupees crore. The land will be used for a residential development of about 4 million square feet, with 1,800 apartments. Retail sector. According to Avenue Supermarkets, Ramesh Damani has completed his 2nd consecutive term as an independent director of the company and has accordingly ceased to be the chairman and independent director of the company from the close of business hours on the 31st of March 2024. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited, ABFRL, has approved the proposal of vertical demerger of the Madura fashion and lifestyle business from ABFRL into a newly incorporated company. The new entity, Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands Limited, will be listed separately on completion of the demerger. PepsiCo India announced an investment of 1,266 crore rupees to build a 22-acre flavor manufacturing plant in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, India in April 2024. The facility is expected to be operational in the 1st quarter of 2026 and will be the 2nd such manufacturing site for PepsiCo India, following a plant in Chano, Punjab. Tennis sensation Serena Williams has unveiled her latest venture, Win Beauty, in partnership with the Good Glam Group. Williams joins other celebrities including Rihanna, Selena Gomez, Kylie Jenner, and Jessica Alba, who have ventured into the beauty space with their own product lines. Amazon launched Bazaar to sell items priced below 600 rupees, $8. The Bazaar app is accessible from the Amazon app. Bazaar is a section of the Amazon app that offers affordable and trendy lifestyle products including clothing, watches, shoes, jewelry, handbags, utensils, towels, bed linens, and decorations. Liking this video, like and share. Startup sector. Byju's will delay March salaries to its employees, the 3rd straight month when the embattled edtech company has struggled with disbursements and blamed its foreign investors for the financial woes. The company blames foreign investors. Byju lays off over 500 employees amid salary delays. The company is in the final stages of a business restructuring exercise to simplify operating structures and better cash flow management. Blackstone to invest $2 billion every year in India has assets worth $50 billion. The company has built $50 billion in value of assets across Blackstone businesses in India since inception, with its asset value currently standing at $30 billion post-exits. Baiju Ravindran's net worth evaporates to zero. Baiju Ravindran has witnessed his net worth evaporate from a staggering 17,545 crore rupees to a mere zero, according to the latest Forbes Billionaire Index 2024. Mustafa Ghaus, the former CEO of JSW Sports, has launched a 350 crore rupees venture capital (VC) fund called Center Court Capital (CCC) in April 2024. The fund is focused on sports tech and gaming, and will invest in areas such as fitness, esports, sports technology, and gaming. Westbridge Capital is likely to double down on Rapido, the ride-sharing aggregator, with a $100 million fundraise. The company has already received commitments of around $70 million and is approaching Indian family offices for additional support. Baiju's filed an application with the National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, to move its dispute with investors to arbitration. The dispute is regarding a $200 million rights issue and allegations of mismanagement. Indian edtech startup Baiju's breached terms of loans worth $42 million and has been asked by an arbitrator not to sell some shares of a group firm, a confidential order showed, the latest setback for the company already battling allegations of mismanagement. Missed the previous videos? Want to access all previous week's videos? Subscribe to IBN. Tech sector. Apple's Indian ecosystem has employed over 150,000 people directly since the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme for smartphones was introduced in August 2021. This makes Apple India's largest blue-collar job creator. Google agreed to destroy billions of data records to settle a lawsuit claiming it secretly tracked the internet use of people who thought they were browsing privately. Meta may set up its first data center in India at Reliance Industries, RIL, campus in Chennai to facilitate local processing of user-generated content. Motorola has set a target of 8 to 10% of the Indian smartphone market by the end of 2026, as part of its plan to become one of the top 3 smartphone manufacturers in India. This ambitious goal is part of the company's proactive approach to double its manufacturing capacity and increase exports from India. Amazon Web Services has eliminated several hundred sales, marketing, and tech roles, the latest in a series of job cuts by its parent Amazon.com. Amazon celebrated Just Walk Out technology, allowing customers to seamlessly bypass checkouts, had a surprising reliance on an overseas workforce. The information revealed that around 1,000 employees in India manually reviewed up to 70% of Just Walk Out transactions in 2022. Elon Musk-owned X, formerly known as Twitter, has expanded their Community Notes program to India. This feature allows X users to add context to a potentially misleading post on the microblogging platform. Apple halted electric and autonomous car projects, leading to layoffs in California. Efforts to develop next-gen display screens for smartwatches also scrapped amid challenges. Over 600 employees affected, with majority from Santa Clara office. Robinhood sets sights on new bounty, the rising rich. Robinhood has steadily diversified its business. The company's assets under custody in the fourth quarter of 2023 finally surpassed the level they hit in the second quarter of 2021. Srinivas Pallia takes over as new CEO of Wipro. The new Wipro CEO graduated from Harvard Business School's Leading Global Businesses Executive Program and the Advanced Leadership Program at McGill Executive Institute. Cognizant Technology Solutions has postponed its annual salary increases for 2024 to August, citing low demand in the IT sector. The company plans to implement the hikes for eligible employees on August 1, 2024. Missed the previous videos? Want to access all previous week's videos? Don't want to miss future videos? Want to receive notification every week? Subscribe to IBN. See you next week. Till then, stay curious. Stay informed.